Respected chief guest, all the teachers, parents and students, good morning, good afternoon to all of you. And happy World Tribal Day. I am Mantu Rao, class 7. I am the student of Jai Sarna Lutpiya Chadakpur. Today on auspicious occasion of World Tribal Day. Now I am going to speak something about the Constitution Assembly of India. The Constitution promoted by the Constitution Assembly of India. M.N. Roy, a pioneer of the communist movement in India. He was the first person who proposed to idea of Constituent Assembly in 1934. This idea was later proposed by the Indian National Congress in 1935. The British accepted the demand for the Constituent Assembly through their August Opera of 1940. The election for Assembly were held for the first time under the Cabinet Mission of 1946. To fulfill purpose, making Constituent Assembly frame Constitution of India and implementing 16 May 1946. The Provincial Assembly elected a member of Constituent Assembly of India by the single transferable vote system. The total number of members of the Constituent Assembly were 389. Among these members, 292 were represented the province and 93 were the representatives of the princely state and other were and 4 were from of Chief Commissioner province, which are Delhi, British Baluchistan, Cork and Ajmer Mewar. On 9 December 1946, Constituent Assembly of India met the first time. Dr. Sachinanand Sinha was the first temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Later on, 11 December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the permanent president of Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly appointed total 22 committees deal with different tasks of Constitution. Out of these 22 committees, out of these 8 were major committees and other were minor committees. There were 15 women members in the Constituent Assembly. The Assembly adopted the national flag on 22 July 1947 and on 24 January 1950 at the both of national anthem and national song was adopted. The Constituent Assembly took almost 3 years. That means 2 years, 11 months, 17 days to complete historic task of drafting of Constitution for independent India. During this period, it held 7 sessions of 165 days. 114 days we are debating this draft. The draft constitution adopted finally where the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 as the Constitution of India. 395 articles and 22 parts and as scheduled at the time of its commencement. Whole India Constitution became effective 26 January 1950. In this way, I think totally explain the formation of Constitution. Before ending my speech, I want to say that all tribal people be educated, know your rights, help each other and lead our society. Happiness towards prosperity and development. Thank you. Jai Jharkhand, Jai Hind, Jai Adivasi.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।